In this short tutorial, I will show you how to copy a WhatsApp community link. Copying a WhatsApp community link can be helpful when you want to share the link with others or invite new members to join. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Communities. Now you'll see all the communities that you are a part of. What you want to do next is select the community for which you want to copy the link. Then tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Community Info. Once you are on the Community Info page, you'll see an option called Add Members. Tap on it. And then tap Invite to Community via link. Now you'll see the community link at the top. All you have to do next is tap Copy Link. The WhatsApp community link is now copied to your clipboard and ready to be shared with others through messages, emails, or any other way you prefer. It's that simple. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.